perspective is the combination of your main and ancillary texts. The genre of our film is rom-com, and it is successful in portraying this genre through casting a male and female character, with one of the scores being quite dainty and happy. We used high key lighting, which is also typical for a rom-com, making it look glossier and more appealing to the target market audience. The poster complements the short film through using symbolism of the red writing, showing the romantic side of the genre. Romance is also shown through using two main images of the female character and the male character, establishing a relationship between the two. The element of comedy is also shown through the poster, as the situation of Adam losing his £10 note whilst Louise finds it is used. The conventions that make up the poster are typical for a rom-com poster, for example a white background and the use of the red colour, which is also used in the film poster of Bridget Jones's Diary. The genre of romance is evident in the magazine through the background colour of pink, with the shape of a heart over it. The pictures of Adam and Louise sitting down, enjoying each other's company, also shows togetherness and romance, attracting an audience who enjoys this genre of film. The image of Adam holding Louise also shows that he cares and has feelings for Louise. The narrative of the film is shown through the use of cross-cutting editing, which gives the audience an insight into the narrative of the two different types of days they are having. The comparing of the characters' days gives it comedy, whilst also setting up potential for romance. The poster complements the short film's narrative, and it hints to the main part of the film. The £10 note that makes up the billing block and the actual £10, which is a key prop, briefly gives across part of the narrative to the audience. The title of the film also gives a clear insight into the fact that the narrative is about luck and love. Whilst the poster gives the audience interest, the magazine explains more about the narrative, which influences the audience's decision if they want to go and see the film or not. The audience for the short film is 15 to 20-year-old, male and females. The film is able to approach this audience through the casting of young people and the storyline, which young people can relate to very easily. The audience for our poster is different to the audience of our short film. This meant that we could get a wider range of audience, and this decision was influenced by Capers' film Elizabeth, which produced different posters for different types of audiences. We decided to make the audience of our poster 15 to 18-year-old females, which is a younger audience who would be more likely to be attracted to our poster. There's a slight more emphasis on the romantic side of the genre in the poster, which makes it appealing to our target audience of females. The audience for our magazine is 17 to 20-year-old females, because our mode of address is a casual and informal one, which would appeal to this audience. The magazine layout clearly shows the romantic aspects of the film through the use of the main pictures and the iconography of the heart. The institutions of the film and the poster are closely linked, as they are always positive, whilst the magazine is from an entirely different institution. A magazine review has an element of risk because of any negative comments that can be made, though the audience would prefer a magazine review as it is truthful and non-biased third-party opinion. A magazine review will give more detail about the narrative, helping the audience make their final decision before going to watch the film.